Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right titanium grade and tube dimensions because strength and weldability differ. Secure a straight length of tubing that matches your target OD and wall thickness, and set up a mandrel in the lathe to support the ID. Next, prepare your TIG welder with high-purity argon and a 2% hydrogen-free filler if needed. Make sure to don a respirator and gloves. Titanium reacts with oxygen at heat, so cleanliness and inert shielding matter. Once the tube is secured on the mandrel, machine to final OD using light passes. Titanium work hardens, so take shallow cuts and keep speeds moderate. If bending is required, use a mandrel and heat cautiously to prevent kinks. Perform light anneals to relieve stress. For joining, you weld with TIG under continuous argon purge inside and outside, and use a trailing shield to keep welds oxygen-free. Make sure to clean the joint surfaces with acetone before welding. Contamination ruins weld integrity. To finish, grind the welds smoothly and polish to required surface finish, using non-ferrous abrasives so you don't embed iron. Once done, purge and pressure test the pipe or perform a helium leak check to verify joints are airtight. Make sure to deburr the ID and, if necessary, apply a mild acid passivation to remove surface contaminants. If you find porosity or leaks, re-clean the area, repurge, and re-weld. Maintaining inert shielding during rework is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.